So we talk a lot about the IFS versus solid axle argument, and right now solid axle's winning.
You could say that.
The taco's broken again. You might have seen in the top of the road video. Something broke. We thought it was the inside of the CV, but it's not. The inside of the diff is welded, so something's going on there. We'll take it out and see what she looks like. All right, so what is actually happening is the CV wasn't in all the way in the first place because it's all welded in there, and
Some of the weld got in the way of where the axle's supposed to go in.
yeah, the weld got in the way where the axle's supposed to go in, so they actually had to cut the other CV just a hair, which is fine and dandy until it's not fine and dandy.
Right, and we kind of installed it in a hurry, and it didn't go all the way in as far as it should have. So all that happened is it worked its way out of just a little bit, and then just stripped like that much of the splines, because that's all that was engaged at that point, which makes sense. So the only thing that's actually bad is this bearing inside here, the needle bearing in there. So we just have to figure out how to swap that over from the other diff.
Make it work. Okay, so our problem now is we got the needle bearing removed from the top of the diff, but nowhere in Moab stocks it or can get it. In fact, it's a discontinued part, they said, right?
Yeah,
and a special order.
They could get it from the dealer, but not until Thursday. It's currently Monday.
So that's not gonna work. So we're gonna commit a bit of a sin to some of you like hardcore mechanical guys and disregard
Common sense?
common sense. Yeah. So it all spins. Like, it makes sense. It doesn't actually need to be a bearing.
No, it doesn't. It just needs to take up the space so that the axle can't wobble too much, which it fits very snugly in those splines anyway.
Exactly. So we're making a bushing. What are we making a bushing out of?
Well, our current best option is electrical tape, which also has an added benefit of being sort of sticky and gluey. So if we get it nice and tight and hammer it in there, it'll keep it from coming out. Like the hockey tape on your...
on my drive shaft.
Hey, do you have any hockey tape?
I don't.
What kind of Canadian are you?
I know. But, yeah, that's the plan. And I guess you'll see how that turns out.
Yeah.
This is what we're dealing with here. This is a layer of beer can, layer of tape, layer of beer can, layer of tape. And look.
It even acts like a bearing.
It even acts like a bearing.
Which doesn't matter because it's never going to spin. But
it'll get you back on the trail for tomorrow.
That's the goal anyway.
That's so awesome. This is a bit of a bonus video. Normally we upload Friday, but I decided because this isn't a full-length video that we'll do 2 this week. And you know what? We got another one the following week. Let me know what you guys think of these little bonus videos, and make sure you tune in Friday because that is the Hell's Revenge Trail. And you'll see if the taco held up for that after these perfect fixes. Anyways, guys, if you like the stuff, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.